Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wise Fuss. Today, we are going to be talking about the latest version of Midjourney's image model, that is V5. If you're not familiar with Midjourney, well, Midjourney AI Art is a software program that uses artificial intelligence to assist artists in creating digital art. The software analyzes the artist's input and generates new variations of the artwork using machine learning algorithms. This allows artists to quickly create and modify their artwork using a variety of tools and settings. Midjourney AI art is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those without a background in coding or machine learning. The software is constantly evolving and improving, with new versions being released periodically to offer artists even more advanced features and capabilities. V5 has been in development for the past 6 to 9 months, and now we have been lucky enough to test it out. If you're interested in trying out Midjourney's V5 image model, you can head over to their Discord server and check out the showcase where people have shared their top images, just like this. The photorealistic images are stunning and are sure to blow your mind. In addition to their image models, Midjourney is also releasing a physical magazine called an Alzine, which you can sign up for at just $4 a copy. It looks like they'll be releasing it monthly, so if you're a fan of physical media, be sure to check it out. The V5 model currently outputs a 2-time resolution increase over V4, which means it produces twice the size. However, there's currently no upscaler, so if you choose to upscale an image, it will just spit it back out at the same image size. The V5 model also supports tiling for seamless patterns and arbitrary aspect ratios, making it perfect for creating unique and eye-catching images. Midjourney is continually refining their image models and gathering feedback from users to improve them even further. They use the data to train and refine their models, resulting in significant improvements from one version to the next. The V5 model we are testing today is a more raw pro version. However, Midjourney is also working on a more stylized version that performs like previous versions. You'll be able to switch between the Pro and the Beginner modes or the stylized and flat modes to get the look you want. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.